In this video, I'm going to show you where to find your collections in the Google app, as it has changed for some people. So what we're going to do is load up the Google app. And there are a few different ways depending on which version of the Google app that you have. So option one is by tapping on the saved icon. It looks like a ribbon or bookmark located at the bottom of the screen. As you can see here, I don't have that option, but that's one option of where you would find your collections and saved items. In my version of the app, you need to go to the profile menu. So if I click on my profile picture in the top right here and scroll down, it's under saves and collections, and that will show it in here. And then on older versions of the app, it might still list this under the collections tab at the bottom. But this is just 3 different ways, depending on which version of the app that you have, to find your Google collections.